Hello and welcome to day 10 of this 2 week morning yoga journey. Today's practice will be a chakra tune up class. So, if you're new to chakras, these are energy centers located all throughout the body, with the 7 main ones running up along your spine. And we're going to journey through these 7 chakras throughout this practice today. So we'll get straight into it. We're going to start in a wide-legged child's pose here. Bringing your big toes to touch. Let your knees open wide apart. Sink your hips back towards your heels. You can reach your arms long in front of you. Or maybe you stack the forearms one on top of the other and rest your forehead onto your forearms. Taking your time to get settled and centered here in wide-legged child's pose. Taking slow, deep breaths. Breathing into the 360-degree capacity of your lungs, filling up the sides of your lungs, the back of your lungs, the front of your lungs with deep breaths. And here in our first posture, we are targeting the root chakra located at the base of your spine. Your first chakra. Muladhara chakra. And continuing to take deep breaths here into the root chakra at the base of your spine. One more breath. Beautiful. Rising up to all fours. Tuck your toes under. Now we'll stretch into the bottoms of your feet. So sink your hips back towards your heels, but with the toes tucked under. You can stay here. Perhaps you feel the stretch already, or maybe you start to walk your hands in a little bit closer. You can keep the hands on the ground, or you can rise up to kneeling. So choose the intensity that feels most nourishing in your body. And then you can close down your eyes. The feet are connected with the root chakra. Here we're stretching into the bottoms of the feet, a part of the feet that we rarely stretch. Your root chakra is associated with themes of stability, security, groundedness, and belonging. It's connected to your most primal needs. Beautiful. Here we'll take one more deep breath. And then when you're ready, coming back to the all fours position, we'll step left foot now to the outside of your left hand for a lizard lunge. Tuck your right toes under and walk the right knee back a little bit to deepen the sensation in your right hip flexor, right quad. Here we're beginning to focus more now on the sacral chakra, getting into the hips a little bit more. This chakra is located just below your navel, in your lower abdomen region. Beautiful. Taking one more breath here. And then step the left knee back to meet the right. We'll do other side. So now the right foot steps to the outside of your right hand. Both hands are inside the right foot. Tuck left toes under and walk your left knee back. Lizard lunge right side. Here we're targeting sacral chakra. Your sacral chakra is associated with themes of creativity, your sensuality, themes of passion, and it's also considered to be your emotional center. Beautiful. Taking one more breath here. Now when you're ready, tuck the left toes under, pick your left knee up. We're going to step the left foot to the outside of your left hand. So don't worry if it takes a little bit of maneuvering to get it there. Yogi squat. So the toes pointing slightly out, heels in. Sink your hips down low. And don't worry if your heels are up off the mat. That is really normal. You can always use your hands to support you here on the ground, or maybe you bring your hands into prayer and then push your knees into your elbows and your elbows into your knees. You can close your eyes down in Malasana here. Here for another 4 deep breaths. This posture brings balance to both your root chakra and your sacral chakra here. Beautiful. Bring your hands down to the ground, straighten through your legs, heel toe your feet together to about hips width distance apart. Folding over your legs, you can have a bend through your knees. We'll take one deep breath here in forward fold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise up to standing, reach your arms up to the sky, maybe take a back bend, looking up. Exhale, bring your hands to prayer at heart center. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hold on to your right wrist with your left hand. Lean over to your left and send your hips to the right for right side body stretch here. Roll your right shoulder back. Side body stretch. Breathing into your right lung, right ribs. Here we're targeting the solar plexus chakra now, located at your navel center. One more breath here. And slowly come back to center, switch it out, holding onto your left wrist with your right hand. Inhale to grow tall. Exhale, lean to your right as you send your hips to your left. Roll your left shoulder back. Beautiful. Left side body stretch. Your solar plexus chakra is your center of personal power, self-belief, confidence, inner strength. One more breath here. And then slowly come back to center. You can bring your arms down beside you. We're going to do some active twisting breathing here. And not only are side body stretches really good for your solar plexus, so are twists. So for this, you can bring your feet to about hips width distance apart, then open your arms out wide to the side. Inhale here. And as you exhale, twist to the left, tap your right hand to your chest. Inhale back to center. Exhale, twist other side. Tap left hand to chest. And then you can keep going. So it would look like this. So it can be quite fast, and just make sure you have enough room. So let's begin. Inhale. Exhale, twist and tap. Inhale, exhale, twist and tap. Keep going at your own pace. Another 10 more. Two more. Spread the arms out wide. Deep breath. Feel your vibrancy, your aliveness. Feel the energy flowing through your body. Beautiful. Releasing that. You can come back up to the top of your mat. Inhale, reach arms up to the sky. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, a step to the back of your mat, and then drop your knees down, lowering on to your belly. Beautiful. From here, bring your hands out wide on the same line as your shoulders. Come up onto your fingertips. We'll take some cobra waves, opening into the heart space, connecting with your heart chakra. Inhale, lift the head and chest. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Beautiful Sphinx pose. Either stack the fists one on top of the other, rest your forehead on your fists. Or maybe rise up a little bit higher, bringing your elbows underneath your shoulders. Palms face down, or perhaps you interlace your fingers. Roll your shoulders down your back, looking forward. Beautiful. You can close your eyes if that feels good. Bringing your focus now to your heart chakra at the center of your chest. This chakra is associated with themes of love, compassion, gratitude, wisdom, and kindness. We'll take 3 more deep breaths here. Beautiful. Let the elbows open out wide. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Tuck your toes under. Push up to tabletop. Send your hips back towards your heels. 2 breaths in child's pose. And then when you're ready, come to lie on your back. Take your time to get there. We're going to find bridge pose here. Plant your feet into your mat, hips width distance apart. Bring your arms down beside you. Push your heels into the mat, squeeze your glutes and send your hips up to the sky. Reach your chest towards your chin. At the same time, reach your knees to the top of your mat and imagine that you're squeezing a block in between your thighs. Here we're targeting both the heart chakra and your throat chakra, located at the center of your throat. This chakra is associated with your voice, with themes of communication, creativity, personal expression, and your deepest truth. Beautiful. Take one more deep breath here. And then slowly lower the hips down. From here, you can either lie on your back with your legs fully extended, or you might like to keep a bend in the knees. Walk your feet away from each other and gently let your knees knock together. Here, we'll practice Brahmari breath, humming bee breath. This breath works to stimulate the throat chakra. It's an inhale through the nose, and then as you exhale, making a humming noise. Let's do 4 rounds together. Inhale. Let your breath return to normal. Taking a few moments here to really feel the effects of Brahmari breath. Perhaps noticing tingling sensation, maybe the movement of subtle energies within. Here we'll move our focus up to your 3rd eye chakra, Ajna chakra, located in between your brows. This is your energetic center of intuition and inner wisdom. We'll do a little bit of a meditation here to bring balance to your Ajna chakra. Bring your awareness to the place in between your brows. Awareness rests in between your brows. And then as you inhale, move your awareness from in between your brows through your brain and all the ways out to the back of your head. Then exhale, feel your awareness wrap around both sides of your head and then coming back to that point in between your brows. So it's like you're doing circles from your third eye through your brain to the back of your head and then back around to the outsides of your head and to your third eye. So let's do this for a little bit longer. Inhale, awareness at your third eye. Feel it move through your brain to the back of your head. Exhale, awareness wraps around your head on both sides, coming back to your third eye. And then keep going with this breath practice, syncing the flow of your breath to the movement of your awareness. We'll be here for a little while longer. Two more breaths here. When you're ready, slowly bring your knees into your chest. Wrap your arms around your knees. We'll take one more deep breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Take your time, whatever way works for you, to make your way up to seated. We'll meet in a cross-legged position here. And you can bring your hands to prayer, Anjali Mudra, at your heart space. Close your eyes down. Bring your awareness now to the crown of your head, to your crown chakra. This chakra is associated with your connection to divine consciousness and to the universe. Bring your awareness now to your crown chakra, at the crown of your head. This chakra is associated with your spirituality, with your connection to the divine and to the universe. And the Bija mantra for this chakra is Om. So with your awareness resting at the crown of your head, we'll close the practice today by chanting Om 4 times. We'll inhale to begin. Om. 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 And let's take a releasing deep breath here to close. Inhale deep. Exhale, sighing it out. When you're ready, open your eyes and coming back to your space. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed that practice. Bye.